this is Michaela Hørdum. In this video I want to show you how to buy a trading pack in Right to the Future. First of all, you need a referral link to be registered in Right to the Future, and when you have a link from the one who has referred you to Right to the Future, you go in and you create a profile. You click here on Join Us, and actually you buy the trading pack already when you make the registration. So already on the first page you are going to buy your trading pack. And here is the different options you can choose from 99 plus activation, $249, $499, $999, $2,499 and $4,999, $9,999 and $19,999. So you buy your trading pack combined with your registration. That was all I wanted to show in this video. I wish you very good luck with your new online income in Right to the Future. Bye bye.